Hey, what's up everybody? It's Will. In this video, I will be walking through how to connect your Coinbase account to the Coinbase wallet and transfer crypto in just a few simple steps. For those of you who may be new, the Coinbase wallet is one of the most useful applications that I have, and it's really essential in order to unlock all the fun things you can do with crypto. All right, so now that we are set up on our Coinbase wallet, we need to deposit some funds into our wallet so that we can start doing some of the cool stuff like using decentralized applications such as Uniswap. One of the really useful features of the Coinbase wallet is that you can seamlessly connect your Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase account if you have one. Connecting your Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase account allows you to transfer funds from the Coinbase app or Coinbase.com to your Coinbase wallet seamlessly. So how do we connect our Coinbase wallet to our Coinbase account? If you don't already have a Coinbase account, the Coinbase app is available on iOS and Android. It's used for those looking to buy or sell cryptocurrencies and is also available at Coinbase.com. It is an easy, secure, regulated on-ramp to crypto using US dollars or other local fiat currencies. If you don't already have an account set up, you can use my referral links in the video description below, which really help support my YouTube channel. It's extremely easy to set up an account and buy crypto. For this tutorial, I'm going to assume that you already have a Coinbase account set up and you are ready to link it to your Coinbase wallet. From the Coinbase wallet, click the settings icon in the bottom right of your screen, and under connections, click the connect to Coinbase button and click connect my Coinbase account. Just like we are signing into our Coinbase account, on the Coinbase app or Coinbase.com, we will need to enter in our email and password. When you are ready, go ahead and click sign in. And I do have an extra layer of security set up here. And so I will go to my Authenticator app and enter in that 6-digit code and click verify. The Coinbase wallet will have access to some of your information here, which is perfectly fine. And so I will go ahead and click authorize, and then you are all set. You have just successfully linked your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet, and you can quickly and easily move funds between your wallet and the Coinbase account. Now, to transfer crypto from our Coinbase account to our Coinbase wallet, let's go ahead and click the wallet icon on our Coinbase wallet app and select send. Select the option that says buy or transfer from Coinbase, and then we will select the crypto that we'd like to transfer over from our Coinbase account to our Coinbase wallet. And I just went ahead and I selected my Ethereum wallet or my ETH wallet, and I will go ahead and just transfer all of my ETH over to my Coinbase account. There is a minor fee, which is still pretty high, but not as actually as high as I've seen it previously. So if you think everything looks good, go ahead and click confirm. And I will point out, this is not a fee that Coinbase charges. This is a fee to actually use the Ethereum blockchain and process a transaction. So the transactions, they're completed on chain and they require confirmations on the Ethereum network before being processed. And as you can see, my ETH has hit my Coinbase wallet, and we have just successfully transferred crypto to our Coinbase wallet from the Coinbase app. And there you have it. Now you know how to connect your Coinbase wallet and transfer crypto from your Coinbase account. Thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions or if I wasn't clear on anything, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. So again, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.